Feedback is the breakfast of champions. Kung gusto mo ng championship team sa business mo, you need to give them feedback frequently and right away. Yan ang life-changing lesson that I learned from the book, The 1 Minute Manager, authored by Ken Blanchard and Spencer Tracy. Akala ko kasi noon, once a year lang ang feedbacking. Pagdating lang ng time ng performance review nila, o kaya kung kailangan ng bigyan natin ng salary increase yung isang tao. After nabasa ko yung 1 Minute Manager, natutunan ko na kailangan pala nating magbigay ng feedback sa ating mga employees regularly. Pag bagong employee sa first week niya, this is what we do. We do it daily. From the second to the fourth week, weekly naman. Pagkatapos, after that, monthly na, hanggang sa ma-regularize siya. Nung sinimulan namin ito, positive man or constructive feedback, mas naging supportive at motivated sila para mag-improve. Ang resulta, mas ganado at mas maganda ang performance ng team namin. Subukan ninyo to and be business-minded, Pinoy.